What if you could have a watch that not only looked great, but could change with your tastes or your activity? What if a watch could be your dedicated personal coach? Or your personal health advisor? How about the best personal assistant you've ever had, who can collect, organise, and filter important information for you? This is Omni, a flexible modular approach to wearables. Omni is small and packed with sensors. All together, analyse and filter only the important things, so you get the right information at the right time. But this is only the start. Omni is infinitely expandable. How about a watch housing with an extended battery life option? Or a watch housing with more powerful sensors when you need it? Or a physical interface for the sports enthusiast? Omni is more than one smartwatch. Omni is the future.